Gates open in 2 minutes. Hey Greg. What's up, man? Heads up. How's Olivia doing? She's good. In school now. Oh yeah. Huh? Yeah, blowing in.
Oh, I think you'll be fine all 3 nights.
Bringing that back. Naquin! Zip. Can you pick that up, please, man? They've lost 10 in a row, so they might be kind of grumpy. Kinsley! What's up, man? I know, it's just me now. I'm going to have to work for it.
Buddy, we're counting on you for at least 1 each, man. Hook us up.
Yeah. Kyle! Can you toss it up, Kyle, please?
Can I get it tossed up?
Oh, nice grab. Dang. Blue Jays. That's usually the best group too, with all those lefties and Sano. So now it's really going to be slow. Pick that up, please. Go on, man. Toss those up, please. No. Come on, toss it up, please. Spare one. Come on, toss it up, please. Can you pick that one up, please, man? Come on, toss it up, Kyle, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the company is welcome to and tonight's game. Enjoy your visit here at
Oh, we're done. What terrible timing. There's a ball.